Blood is a tissue. You'll remember a tissue is defined as a group of cells with a similar structure and function. You need to know the function of each of the components found in the blood and how they are adapted for their function. The first we are going to learn about is the red blood cell. I'm drawing that here. The job of the red blood cell is to carry oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the body. They have some adaptations that make them good at this job. Number one, they have a biconcave shape, which increases the surface area to increase the rate of diffusion of oxygen. Number two, they contain hemoglobin. This is a red pigment that the oxygen attaches to. And number three, they don't have a nucleus, so they can fit more hemoglobin, which means they fit more oxygen in. The second is white blood cells, which I'm drawing here. The job of the white blood cell is to defend against disease. They have some adaptations that make them good at this job. Number one, some can change shape to engulf unwelcome organisms. Number two, others can produce antibodies. And number three, others can produce antitoxins, which counteract toxins produced by bacteria. The third is platelets. These are small fragments of cells. The job of the platelets is to help the blood to clot. This ensures that when an individual gets a cut, they do not lose too much blood, and diseases cannot get in. They have some adaptations that make them good at this job. They have no nucleus. The final component is the blood plasma. This is the liquid that carries everything in the blood. It carries all of the components that we've just talked about, the red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets, carbon dioxide, urea, proteins, antibodies, antitoxins, glucose, amino acids, lots of things. You have now learnt about how the functions of each of the components in the blood and how each component is adapted for its function. You will find a summary of this information below. Make sure you test yourself using the quiz on reviseitright.com. Why are we the best revision website out there? Well, because we have it all in one place. Revision notes, summary videos, longer, more detailed videos for topics you're struggling on, exam question walkthrough videos where qualified teachers take you through the perfect answers to exam questions, worksheets, quizzes, computer marked exam questions, interactive flashcards, forums, the ability to keep track on where you are using our tick list, and so much more. But that's not all. We run at least 3 live lessons a week, and closer to exam time, this will be more, where you can tune into a qualified teacher teaching lots of different topics each week. The lessons will be interactive, and we go through exam questions and quick quizzes to ensure understanding as you go. We also run drop-in sessions where you can drop in, ask a tutor anything live, get the answer that you need, and leave. These are included in our silver and gold membership. This means that for an extra £10 a month, you can access at least 12 hours of lessons a month. That's under £1 an hour, which is incredibly cheap. Still not convinced? Try us completely free for 7 days and cancel anytime, completely free of charge. We offer this because we're convinced that you'll love us. So try us now.